Hi, kamusta? My name is Aldrin. Today, we'll be installing this. So this is everything that came with the Aura DreamColor kit. We got the 4 LED strips. We got the control box right here, 4 extension wires, a cigarette lighter, power adapter, zip ties, we got a handheld remote, and some mounting kit. So the lights you can control using the app, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. Let's install this. So let me show you the game plan for this installation. Imagine this is the front seat, driver, passenger, and this is the second row seat. So what we're gonna do, we get the control box. We're putting the control box in the middle, of course, with a cigarette lighter as well. So this is gonna split into 2 like that. I'm gonna get one of the LED strips that has the 2 ends. The driver side. Again, I'm gonna get 2 ends, so I'm going to connect that to that control box, and this is gonna end in here. Planning to use the extension cords to go connect it to the second row seats, the back seats. I'm gonna need 4, because I want to connect the control box to this side, connect the control box using the extension on the driver side, driver seat. Then we go to passenger. This is where the arrow is going, so this is where it's gonna end. So put it like so. Then driver side, follow the arrow, of course. We only need to get the one with the 1 end, so it ends right there. Alright, it works. Alright, time to clean up all the wirings and put back the covers. We'll be talking about the OPT7 Glow App. I know the Aura has a remote, but the cool thing is it has an app to control it with, and it has more features. So let's take a look at it. So I'm gonna simultaneously do a screen record. So we'll make it a bit easier for the both of us. OPT7 Glow App. After you install it, of course, you need to select it. connecting to it is really easy. So you want to select our kit. So if you have multiple OPT7 kits, you actually see it on this side. So right now I only have one, the Aura. Select it, and there you go. Bottom left is the on off button. As you can see, you can do multiple presets. Right now it's currently on red, green. Wow, that's bright, really bright. So my brightness is 100%. See how bright that is. Different colors. You can add a preset if you click on the plus and then select which color you want. So let's do cyan. I know there's already cyan there, but as you can see, you can add more lights. Brightness right here, bottom. Do it 50. It's still bright. Let's make it 100 still. And then top right, you can rename your kit if you want. I'm just gonna keep it like that. Oh, icon. That's new. Album selection, photograph. All right. And then in the bottom, there's different kind of features that we have in here. Oh my God, I was looking at it and it has a lot. Let's go to the rhythm tab. And it is already picking up. It's that sensitive. I don't know what's picking up right now. So we have energetic, energetic 2, then rhythm 1, rhythm 2. There's different kinds. I kind of like the energetic music. When it comes to the rhythm, there's spectrum. It's more mellow. Then scroll. Then scroll 2. All right. Oh, you can even adjust the sensitivity. Look at that. Ooh. I feel like we're in a club right now. Let's go energetic 1, sensitivity. Let's put it way down. Pa. No, can it hear me? Oh, do it at 30. Pa, 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 pa. All right. So that's the device mic. So if I select the phone mic, now it listens to, using the app, it listens to the mic. Wow, that's awesome. So first time using this. And then music, there's some different permissions. You don't understand. So there's, right now they have different kind of music. I think you can add your music, but we don't want to play it because copyright issues. But there's different kind of music that you can actually select. Let's select one real quick, like the happy birthday. There you go. Let's pause that. But I think it's really cool. Let's go on the next tab, mode. Now this is a lot. There's other modes under the mode tab. There's tabs of basic, curtain, trance, flowing, flow with tail. This you'll see on the top. And then run back. So let's go to basic, autoplay. If you want to just autoplay it, magic forward. And you can even adjust the speed and the brightness of it. So magic back. Whenever you see the magic back or the word back, that means it's just reverse. So we have RGB strobe. Wow, that's a lot. Gradual, green marquee. I'm gonna show the speed 100%. I'll slow it down to 50. Yep. Brightness as well, just to show you. Yeah, there we go. Speed up. Race. And we're just in the basic. See how many features this have. So you can even select what color it is. You see RGB, YCP, which is yellow, cyan, and purple. Yep. There you go. Then let's go to curtain. Chase. Oh wow, so much. Then white open. And as you can see right now, the camera that you're looking at right now is pointing at where the back seats are. So let me show you what it looks like in a driver's seat. There you go. So it actually flows like from the driver's seat to the back seat, and then if you select the run back or back, it's basically reverse. So it goes from the back seat to the front, which is pretty awesome. Then let's go to trans. Go to YCP trans. Wow. 6 color blue. Then next is flowing. I like flowing. Then I put it at around 50 or even 70. There you go. Kind of like that. Not too fast. It doesn't feel like you're in a club. Well, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's more relaxing, flowing. We have flow. There's so much. Now this is where it goes a little crazy because it actually you can actually select what kind of color. Then you want to select white, red, white, green, red, white, red, flow back. There's a lot. Next we got tail, 7 color tail, red tail. Oh, I like that. Blue tail, white tail, run, red running. Ooh. 7 color running. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is my new favorite, running. Not flowing now. White running. Red dot and white running. That's awesome. That's pretty awesome. Green dot and blue running. There's so much. Run back. Again, run back, that means it's just reverse. So everything that's in the run is the reverse on the run back. So run back. Then if I click run, red running, it goes that way. Again, run back is reverse. Run is forward. We go to the next tab, which is scenes. I kind of like this too, because it just, if you click on sunset, it kind of mimics sunset. And if you click on sunset, that was sunrise. If we go on sunset, so as you can see, daytime, it's gonna start turning to yellow. Just kind of candlelight. Now, fireworks. I feel like this is random. You know, fireworks are somewhat random. Party. Dating. Starry sky. Romantic. Disco. Rainbow. Movie. Oh, this is a lot. Christmas. Flowing. Sleeping. Ocean. Forest. Reading. Dazzle. Working. Soft wedding, snow, fire. There's a lot. Ooh. Valentine's Day. Warning. Time machine. Meteor. There's so much to choose from in here. But the one that I'm really having fun with is, of course, the music. I'll put that phone mic again. That's freaking awesome. Check, 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 check. All right. So I think that's the gist of the Glow app. So that's it. Install is quick and easy. Thank you for watching. Paalam.